Okay, this is the Zinc volta120 electric scooter. It's got this free, it's free by the side of the road. I believe it's going to need new batteries. These are what are these? 12 volts, 4.5 amp hour enduring batteries. There's no charger with it either. Did come with a manual, but we already know how these things work. Batteries just clip in like that. Black to black, red to red. And that one pulls out like that. So yeah, that's a male connector. Yeah, both are male connectors. It's this female connector's a bit different to the other one. The positive one's different to the negative. It's got this little easy clip on it. This one doesn't really have that. You've got to squeeze it. This one. So yeah, that. Here's the controller in here. There's not really much soldering. It's all on multi plugs. So if you need to replace your controller, it's really easy to do. So that's motor power, to your awesome 120 watt motor. There's your on off, and there's your trip down there. All on multi-plugs. It's really difficult to get this wrong. There's not a whole lot to it. Plastic battery tray. The throttle, I believe, is a 2-wire system, so it's just on or off to a relay. Chain driven, which is nice compared to the belt ones, which, you know, the belts do tend to fail. And the chain ones, yes, the chains can fail because they don't get oiled, and this one's no exception to that. You can see how worn down it is. It's never been oiled. Yeah, that concludes this video.